Looking for the best running shoes to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4. The best running shoes for racing are the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4, offering a great mix of cushioning and bounce, making them a go-to choice on race day. Its premium midsole foam and carbon energy rods deliver a bouncy yet controlled ride that stays effective even deep into a marathon. If you're looking for a fast, responsive shoe that won't beat up your legs over 42K, this is it. If you're racing shorter events or want something more nimble, the Nike Vaporfly 4 is a strong alternative. It's incredibly light and delivers a firm, direct ride that feels fast and efficient off the ground. The lower stack height offers a closer-to-the-ground sensation and a snappy toe-off, which many runners will appreciate in 5 Burmese chots, 10 Burmese chots, or even half marathons. That said, it doesn't offer as much protection for longer efforts and can feel harsh late into a race, making the Adios Pro for the better pick for full-distance events. Like most super shoes, both the Adidas and Nike shoes prioritize optimal performance at the expense of stability and long-term durability. Number 4. Adidas Adizero Evo SL. The Adidas Adizero Evo SL is an up-tempo trainer that maximizes value without sacrificing performance. It's a lightweight, versatile shoe with elite features such as Adidas Premium Foam, which is usually reserved for super shoes. The Evo SL offers excellent energy return and responsive cushioning, making it versatile enough to handle both everyday runs and races, though it truly shines during up-tempo intervals, delivering a dynamic and lively ride. That said, this shoe will feel harsher at easy paces. Another great option is the ASICS SUPERBLAST 5, a plush trainer that strikes a balance between comfort and bounce. The excellent cushioning makes the SUPERBLAST 5 better suited for easy recovery runs than the Evo SL, but the ASICS shoe is still capable of picking up the pace during long runs. While these two unplated options don't have the aggressive feel of dedicated super shoes like the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4, their excellent cushioning and good energy return make them decent race day options for amateur runners seeking a balance of performance and comfort. However, they aren't elite-level shoes for podium chasers. Number 3. Mizuno Neo Vista 2. The Mizuno Neo Vista 2 takes cushioning to new heights, with a towering stack of foam that offers maximum protection at any distance. This max cushion trainer's midsole is comprised of 2 different foams, stabilized by a plastic plate, and the result is a plush feeling underfoot that is surprisingly lightweight given its stack height. The Neo Vista 2 runs quite long, and the upper is very loose, so consider sizing down. For runners wanting a max-cushioned, ultra-high stack shoe that doesn't feel too sluggish, the Hoka Mach X2 is an excellent alternative that can handle faster sessions more effortlessly than the Mizuno. As a plated super trainer, it provides plush comfort without sacrificing responsiveness, so you can comfortably pick up the pace when you feel like pushing it. If you need something more comfortable for easier paces, go with the Mizuno, but for those speedier sessions, get the Hoka. Number 2. ASICS SUPERBLAST 2. The ASICS SUPERBLAST 2 is the shoe to reach for if you want a maximalist trainer that provides impressive cushioning and decent stability over long distances. Its dual-layer midsole, featuring a plush top layer and a supportive, firmer foam beneath, delivers an impressive combination of comfort, responsiveness, and stability, making it the best running shoe to put in long efforts. It has a stiffer rocker than its ASICS SUPERBLAST 5 counterpart, offering smoother transitions during long runs. The SUPERBLAST 2 is a bit less cushioned than the Mizuno Neo Vista 2, but it's lighter and still very protective, making it easy on your legs even deep into long distances. With its well-balanced design and smooth ride, this shoe helps you stay fresh and smooth on your longest runs. Compared to a long-distance super shoe like the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4, the ASICS prioritizes overall comfort and stability for training runs. On the other hand, the Adidas shoe emphasizes raw performance on race day through its lighter weight and superior energy return to maximize efficiency. However, it sacrifices some comfort and durability for regular training. Number 1. New Balance FuelCell Rebel V4. The New Balance FuelCell Rebel V4 offers impressive stability, making it ideal for runners who need solid ground feel but don't want to sacrifice too much performance. Its very wide base and lower stack height keep you grounded, which is particularly valuable when fatigue compromises your form. While this shoe doesn't provide dedicated support features, its design naturally delivers excellent lateral stability. The shoe remains surprisingly lightweight and decently cushioned, thanks to its midsole. It also provides a decent bounce, making this a well-rounded pick that goes beyond simply offering reliable stability. If you need a shoe that actively guides your stride, the ASICS Gel Kayano 32 is a support shoe designed to correct overpronation. It delivers stability through a structured build and uses support elements like a soft foam-based block for pronation support that bounces your arch back into alignment. However, this comes at the cost of added weight and reduced responsiveness. That said, while great stability can be a big plus when form starts to break down, this type of shoe isn't necessarily a great pick for longer efforts. For that, a more protective option with a higher stack, like the ASICS SUPERBLAST 5, does a better job.